Time to go to mid-gear, part 4. There it is. There you go. There is Karen. Let's get down. Full ahead. Should I? Full ahead, please. She's based on Rusty. Or the other way round. Ah. We could be in trouble. Pull the lever once. The regulator. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. If you're wondering why the camera's shaking, that's because the floor's shaking. We're a bit over pressure. Whilst we're here, let me show you just quickly the 2 resident diesel locomotives there that are in the sheds. These are all, I believe these are all for operation on this railway. I don't know. Ticketing. Off Maddock. Here's a brief history if you care to read it. Cab ride? I think so. It's in Welsh. Does anyone know what this button does? What about this one? Or that lever? What's that in miles an hour, guys? Could someone convert? What does that say? And that? If you can't tell, I'm not Welsh. Again, translation please, I'm not Welsh. Again, have a look at this. Does this tell us? No. I presume these can go into service. Look nice. Here's the other one. T. Look nice anyway.